last year I was in Redmond and there were fires everywhere? I'm in Redmond again. California's on fire, and from the looks of things, look at this. It is smoky, smoky here. It's supposed to get up to about 30-mile-an-hour winds, possibly 40. Look at this. Really bad. Yeah. Last year, about the same time I was here, and California was on fire, and I had to wait to go home because of the fires. I get up here this time, again with the fires, and I don't know if you saw on Facebook, I posted a short video of the smoke around here. Pretty bad. So, I'm not sure. I mean, I have to get the truck into the shop tomorrow because of that oil leak. And then because of this wind and smoke, I don't know where the fires are, but on the Facebook picture that I posted, the fires are below me, the direction I have to go home. So I'm not sure when I'm going to get out of here. When I was in Klamath Falls, I had truck troubles. And then when I got up here to Redmond, I had truck troubles. This year, I got to Klamath Falls, I had trailer problems. The converter got burned up. And when I get here to Redmond, to my mother-in-law's, I got truck problems again. I was supposed to leave a couple days ago, but couldn't because of the oil leak. Anyway, how crazy is this? Maybe I need to go a different direction next year. Anyway, it's crazy. Give you another look. Hi. Well, I'm still in Redmond, Oregon, at my mother-in-law's house. Oil leak on the truck. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't get in to see a mechanic until tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Today's Labor Day, Sunday, Monday. Anyway, so I have decided that instead, let me show you, instead of this setup in the closet wardrobe area for my clothes, whenever this just isn't working in here. It worked really good in the Trail Manor, but it's not working here. The clothes always end up falling out and they end up on the floor down there. So I bought a shelving unit, which you can sort of see it right there, that hopefully, crossing my fingers, is going to fit inside of there. The tough part of it is going to be that I have to put it together inside the closet, because I don't think there's any way I can get it in there once it's fully built. So I'm just going to put it together in the cupboard, wardrobe, whatever you want to call it. So first I got to get everything out of that closet, wardrobe, whatever it's called, and read the directions and get busy. It came in a million little parts. Got it off Amazon. Let me show you. Here's the directions page. All kinds of little itty bitty pieces. So I'm going to get out. I'm going to get my tools out. Screwdriver, hammer. I don't know what all I need. And I'm going to get busy, and I'll bringing along for it as best I can. It's going to be kind of small in there. Probably going to be more comical than anything in that small space. Anyway, let me get set up and I'll do that. So I got, let me show you here. Those are the closet things I was using. So I got everything out of the closet. I got this first part done, just hooking these on. And I thought, well, it looks to me like the width is okay. Maybe I should check the height. So this is what I did. This is the side panel that goes up and down. And so I put this in, and it'll sit like this. But Houston, we have a problem. It's about 3/4 of an inch too tall. So, let's see, it's too tall. Well, actually, it could be somewhere in here height-wise. So I looked at the bottom of this board, and it's got room. If I had a saw, I could cut about 1 inch off of the bottom of this, and it would fit. But all I have is a hacksaw, and that's not going to happen. So I'm going to put it all back. I know. And I measured. It was like 36 inches, and I don't know. So I'm going to put it all back in the box, and then when I get home or wherever, then I'll figure out this cabinet, because I'm not putting this cabinet together and not have anywhere to put it. So that took care of that project. On to the next. I don't know what the next one is, but I'll figure it out. And when I do, I'll bring it back.